Here's how to write post on X. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna exactly show you how you can write post on X/Twitter. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First off, we're just simply gonna open X. And here, as you can see, I'm on X right now. And to simply write a post, you basically need to press on this blue icon, right where you can see it right over here. Just gotta press on that simply. And right over here, you can just simply write. So write whatever you wanna write. So I'm just gonna write in just like waiting for December. Alright. So here we go. So I just wrote something very randomly, and then you got some features right over here. Down here, you can see that it says everyone can reply. So right over here, you can actually choose who can reply to you, either everyone, or the verified accounts, or the accounts you follow, or only accounts you mention. And then you got the option of this little picture icon. So if you press on it, you can simply put on your gallery photos or your photos from the app, and you can just simply directly post it, whatever you're writing with it. And then you got the option of live. You can also go live if you want to. You can also post GIFs and some other options just like voice recording and locations. After that, just you wrote the post, just basically post it on your X account just like this, and here you go. As you can see, the post was sent. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to write post on X. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.